In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn any photo into a pencil sketch in Canva. This is a quick, creative way to give your images a hand-drawn look that works beautifully for posters, social posts, invitations, and more. Start by opening your design in Canva and selecting the photo you want to convert. If you're still deciding, choose a clear, well-lit image with good contrast. Faces and objects with defined edges tend to translate into stronger sketch lines. You can crop or straighten beforehand if needed, so the subject is framed exactly how you want it to appear as a sketch. On the left sidebar, head to the Apps tab. This is where Canva keeps its extra tools and integrations that extend what you can do beyond the basic editor. It's the hub for effects like sketching, color tools, and more, and it makes the next step straightforward. In the Apps tab, search for Sketchify and select it. Sketchify is designed to analyze your image and reduce it to clean pencil-like outlines and shading, mimicking the look of a hand-drawn graphite sketch. It's especially helpful when you want a cohesive artistic style without spending time drawing or tracing. Next, click Choose File to upload your image, or select an existing one from your canvas. If your photo is already in your design, choosing it from the canvas keeps everything in one place. If it's on your device, uploading through the app works just as well. Larger images may take a moment to process, so give it a second if you see a brief loading indicator. Once you've made your selection, the app will instantly generate a pencil sketch version of your photo. You'll see the lines become more defined and the tones simplified into a monochrome, hand-sketched effect. This transformation keeps the essence of your subject while stripping away distractions, which is great for minimalist layouts or when you want text and graphics to stand out around the image. From here, you can continue designing as normal with your new sketch-style image. Consider using subtle backgrounds or light textures so the sketch remains the star. If you want a cohesive series, apply Sketchify to multiple photos to maintain the same visual style throughout your project. And remember, high-contrast photos tend to produce stronger, cleaner lines, so keep that in mind when choosing future images. That's it. Thanks for watching.